Say good morning. Good morning. Natangtang isa. Ay, nagtagalit. Good morning.
It's just a day for us to wear something else.
Yeah. Free dress day. Yeah, that's the one. So yeah, they don't need to wear their uniform. And silin awat-awat sa do.
Guys, you know which character I am? Ursula.
Are you Ursula too?
Tentacles?
Are you Ursula?
Yeah.
You look so cute, sweetie.
Okay.
Okay, alright, we'll go to the car now, okay? Tingnan nyo, yan yung pinasuot kong dress, pero ang kanyang sapatos ay, yan talaga yung gusto niya suotin. Gusto nga niyang magsuot ng yung pang party ba na dress. Sabi ko, anak, we're going to the library after, hindi natin niya masusuot. Ay, gusto talaga niya, guys. Grabe, sobrang iyak niya. Hinayaan ko na lang siyang ganyan ang kanyang shoes kasi para magtahan na siya, hindi na siya iyak. Come na, Ling! Come on, ate is here now. You okay? Nag-stop kami sa cafe, guys. Bumili kami ng hot chocolate from Mama and my almond croissant. And our little one is having her... What are you having lang? Baby Chino. Uhaw na uhaw ah. Finish? Straight away? That was so quick. That was very quick.
Mama.
Do you like it?
Mama, Nini.
Do you want more?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, what? What do you say? Yes, please? Yes, please?
Please,
Please, Mama?
please, Mama.
Okay. It's now 9:17 in the morning and it's Tuesday. So every Tuesday we have Celine's rhyme time sa library at 9:30. Oh, good? There's more. There's more for you, no more? Okay. Alright, I'll put it here. So si Ate Paras ay nasa school na. And alam niyo ba, ito yung last week ng kanilang term 3. So after this Friday, school holidays na naman for 2 weeks. So dapat nga sana yung lola niya ay ngayon mabalik bisita for school holidays. But I think she's not coming until December now. So my off sa Ate Paris ng 2 weeks and we're still planning kung ano yung gagawin kasi may work man si Daddy Mike. So hindi kami makakalayo. Yeah, probably just to stuff around here and make sure that she's occupied with things to do, you know. Might have plenty of play dates with friends. Pagkatapos, balik sila ng school 3rd of October. So, yan na yung term 4. And you know what? She is very excited, like super excited for term 4 because alam niyo yung best friend niya sa Kindi, si Irene, yung Thai na friend namin. We went to the Eka show, Brisbane show together. She went to a different school, right? But yung ginawa nila, she transferred her to Ate Paris' school para magkasama sila. I'm super happy. Even though, you know, Paris is friends with everyone, but it would be nice to have her, you know, like friend, like close friend, best friend, the same school. Dito kasi sa Australia, guys, hindi ka agad-agad na gusto mo i-transfer yung bata ay makaka-transfer ka agad. You have to wait until my spot na available for your kid. So the other day, yun nga nagkita kami and apparently they received a call from the school na may spot for Irene. So si Irene ay pupunta sa school na Ate Paris and the best thing about it is they tried to like put Irene sa the same classroom ni Ate Paris kasi yung prep dito sa sa school ni Ate Paris 3 classrooms. So ka Ate Paris PBM class siya and they put Irene sa class niya. So nung umuwi umuwi siya the other day, she was very happy. She told me na inihanda na daw ng teacher niya yung something gotcha thing. Meron silang ano sa school. Meron na daw nakapangalan kay Irene. So, you know, it will make her more... Never akong nagka-problema for like sending Paris to school kasi never siya nagano na I don't wanna go to school. Kaya minsan nga kapag she is soaking in the morning, sinasabi ko, I'm not gonna take you to school. Umiiyak siya, I wanna go to school, I wanna go to school. So, even though never had an issue kada Paris dalhin sa school, but it will make her more like excited and wake up in the morning and, you know, more like happier to go to school because her friend is there. I'm so happy for her as well. That's why as much as possible we would like to stay in this area, guys. Kasi parang nakabuild na si Ate Paris ng relationship with friends. Hope there's parking. Yep. There's one. Or here lang. Oh my God, tingnan niyo. Alang siya. May linya pero sumingit siya. Ah, bata. Gid kini mata. Show mama? Ah, beautiful sticker. You're a star, honey. You're a star. What color is the star?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. You smart little girl. Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. Come on.
A few moments later.
We're picking up Ate Paris now. Diyan kami nag-park. Para hindi kami ma-get into trouble. Kasi, pag dito nag-park, kailangan hindi ka pwedeng lumabas sa sasakyan mo. So you have to wait for your kid to come. And last time, the lady got really upset with me. Kasi I had to get Paris. So kailangan kong lumabas. So even though kahit mabilisan lang, hindi daw talaga pwede, guys, itong dito na part. So may ano pa sila. Nilagyan pa nila ng letter yung aking sasakyan. Sabi nila naka-report na daw ang ating car registration number. Careful, my love. Dylan's coming. Hi, Dylan. Yes. Hello, they're out now. Ate Paris is there now waiting.
No.
Come on.
Let's play.
I know, play, my love, but we're not allowed here, sweetie.
No.
Yeah, you know the teacher will come out and she's gonna be angry.
No. No.
Yeah, we'll go. Ate Paris is waiting too. Louder. Louder.
Okay.
Louder, Ate.
Aki.
Ate! Ate! Ate can hear us.
Come.
Hi! Hi!
My necklace.
Oh, what happened?
It's in my bag.
Where's your jacket?
Oh my god, put it in my bag.
In your bag?
Let's go see
Hello! Oh, the bolt is gone. Give him a kiss. Hi, give Mama a kiss.
Wow.
Give Mama a kiss. How are you, my love?
Oh my god, it's cold.
It's a bit cold, isn't it?
I'll go get it.
Give up your cuddle?
There's something really exciting that's happening after the holidays on Tuesday.
Yeah.
That we're doing.
Yeah. Hang on, give Celine a cuddle first.
We are gonna be swimming soon.
Cuddle.
We're going swimming. We're going swimming in the pool.
Good job. Yes.
Swimming, Daddy.
Swimming, Dad.
The swimming school. The one that we're going tomorrow. We're going swimming.
Yeah, I know. I told
I'm
you.
gonna do it.
Next term, you're doing swimming. So yun, you guys, yung shoes niya, pinasuot ko kanina. Very first time niyang isuot yan. Kasi yan, binili ko size 10. Yung suot niya ay size 8. So yung size 8 ay masikip na. Dapat sa size 9. Size 10, okay lang naman.
I got
Medyo malaki tingnan pero komportable naman sa siya. Hala, unsa naman yung buhok lang. Hala. Oh my God, guys. Napaluha ako, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ito lang ang unang pinakita ni Ate Paris. Ito. See? Sabi ko, were you the one who wrote this one? Because it looks good. And then, guess what? Really? Pinakita niya sa akin, guys.
Jessica's here.
Book week
Hi,
writing
Jessica's
competition.
here.
Hi, Jessica. Paris Mackenzie PBM, thank you very much for participating in the 2023 Book Week Writing Competition. Ang saya-saya ko, guys, kasi alam nyo, brings back memories. When I was a kid as well, elementary, high school, I used to like win all the essay writing sa school. So, may mga ganito-ganito din ako.
Jessica's mom.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come. Ati, that's Ati's. Come on. Why? Yeah. Go, Ate. Go, Ate.
Stop.
Stop. Yeah. Ate, stop.
Gosh.
Discuss, yeah? Stop. Buti pa si Celine. Buti pa si...
Stop.
Stop, stop. There might be car. You'll get hurt. Ooh. Dito kami sa op shop, guys. Tingnan nyo. Are you the baby? I think you're... Lang. Ate, ate, have a look at Celine. Come here. Baby boo boo. Gosh. Is that how the baby cries? Tingin-tingin lang dito, guys. Nakakamiss din mag-op shop. Alam nyo ba, ito siya, pumunta lang ako dito kasi ito lang talaga yung malapit sa amin. And wala talaga silang maganda. Yung best friend ko, nag-send siya sa akin ng message nung weekend. Nag-shopping siya sa Melbourne siya, diba? Oh my God, sobrang gaganda din sa Melbourne, guys. I love shopping in Melbourne. Yung ano ba, yung mga ukay-ukay bitaw. Dito, awan. Nini, laro pa more. Yes, Bobby? Oh, have a look at this. This is pretty cool. Wow. Higgity. What's higgity? Salini.
Something that
Bet na bet ko to, guys. Oh, itong kulay na to, pero malaki siya. What is it lang? Let's type lang. Oh, crayon lang. Oh, I think that's the one. Gray pasta. Luto na tayo ng dinner. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina nung pagka-uwi namin. Kasi, nagmamadali si mami nyo, guys. May nag-pick up ng sapatos. So, she's actually Filipina as well. Nag-pick up siya ng dalawang shoes. Actually, she came here for jackets and everything, but hindi ko masya sa kanya. So, yung shoes, medyo maliit yung nagustuhan niyang style. Pero I think she just said like, she's gonna make it work. So, ayun. Dalawang shoes. She ended up getting 2 shoes. And yeah, so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi it was very stressful. Kasi hindi ko nga sila pinapakyat dito sa taas, diba, pag may bumibili. So I just bring stuff downstairs. And then baby Celine wanted to have Didi, my lord. So umiiyak siya habang kausap ko yung bumibili. Alam niyo ba, napakahirap pag ganyan, guys. You know, like you have to do it at the same time, like be a mom, but at the same time you want to sell stuff. Anyways, I'm going to cook dinner now. We're gonna have this chicken mince. And
What's happening?
what happened? Did the TV just turn off? Ooh. Nini, what did you do? Try to push the button again, sweetie. Here this one. We're gonna have some peas, carrots, and sweet corn with it. Hopefully, we still have that.
Hey, welcome
Hi.
to the video.
What happened, Anna?
especially in the summer.
Ayan, meron
Of
po
course,
tayo.
a swimming pool should not be missing from your vacation
This one,
destination.
oyster
Today, we
sauce.
did our best to find pools that you probably didn't know.
Oh, pumunta din pala kami ng McDonald's. After picking up at the Paris, pumunta kami ng McDonald's. Bumili ako ng double cheeseburger.
Also like the video.
Okay. You opening it lang?
Yes.
You say hello first, ha? Make sure it's Daddy.
Hello. It's Daddy. I can't.
Lainey! Daddy at the front door lang.
Can I come in today? Hello? Si Mami?
No. Okay. No, Daddy, no.
Lainey, what did you just... You have a haircut?
Okay.
Show me, Mom. Show me right now.
Daddy.
Show me.
Hey, go.
Daddy.
Okay,
Go
go.
away.
Daddy.
Yeah,
Show me, Bob. Show me.
Let me brush it first.
Huh?
Let me brush it, huh? Because someone's going to carry it.
Hey.
Dad! Wait.
Pagupit ko dali Michael. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung full na ano. Nakita ko kasi yung ano dito ba, na shave yung sa gilid. Hindi ko lang pagupit. Ayun niya, ipakita muna. I-brush muna dali. Conscious si Kuya niya. Kasi, super totoo ko guys. Kapag pagdating sa kanyang haircut, kapag hindi ko bet, sinasabi ko talagang hindi ko bet. Kaya, yan siya. Very conscious siya. I-ano muna daw niya. I-brush before niya ipakita sa atin. Kasi sabihin ko naman na daw nakikita. Ilabas ang isang sakong bigas. I'll show you. We'll just have rice with the chicken. Ito yung favorite ko na bigas, guys. Mahal nga lang. But I bought this one because naka-half price siya nung pumunta kami ng, I'm not sure if it was Woolies or Coles. Bumili na ako kaagad kasi naka-half price. Ito yung jasmine rice.
I got 20 hands. I got five. Oh.
Ate, can you put your shorts on, please? Okay? Do that thing. Huh? She said they're all going backwards.
Huh?
Wait, I'll do it. Oh yeah, it's flat, it goes down.
I'm doing it. It's fine. I didn't cut it yet.
Huh? It's on the side?
No, I went higher than usual.
Yeah. That's why I put your bowl with this on it.
No, I just, because I don't get my hair cut as much now.
Huh?
I don't really feel like I have time. I don't cut my hair as much as I used to.
Yeah.
So it's like, if I go higher, it will last longer.
Savings.
No, it's not about savings. It's not about savings, just like, I don't like when it gets long here. How do I get look?
Did you get it printed?
I did it myself.
It's trimmed.
That's
Trimmed.
nice.
longer than the others.
Where's my pool?
And the front door.
Front door.
It's tiny. I was wondering what it was. And it tastes like ice, whatever it is. Ice.
Ice bar.
Huh?
Yeah, it's not tiny. It'll.
Inflate?
No, it'll probably like expand. Like that sauna was tiny. But
Ah, yeah. Show me. What's this one again?
Ice bar.
Ice bath. Bumili si Daddy Mike ng ice bath. Did you get my message? I said like, message Ray what?
Yeah.
Buy the remote.
I did. I said yeah, I will. And then I said I love you.
You did not.
I didn't say I love you.
You said I love you, but I haven't seen the.
No, I didn't. I said yeah, I will. And then I said I love you. What's the pump for?
Huh?
So I wonder what the pump is for.
Are you gonna fill it up with water? Ice?
Huh?
You're gonna fill it up with ice?
Ice in the water.
Tingnan yung sinet up ni Daddy Mike dito, guys. Ang kanyang sauna. Can you speak, Daddy? Tingnan niyo, oh. Pinanuhan nila kanina 10. Ginawa niyang 15. Tingnan niyo, oh. Steam na, oh. It's pretty cool. Diyan na siya sa loob. Anong oras na? How long are you gonna stay there for, Bob?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah. Love you.
I love you too. Alright, I'll see you when you come out.
Yeah.
Hayaan mo na siya dyan. Anong oras na? Alam niyo ba? Ay! Nilak ko. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Well, sorry, Mike. Alam dyan. Oh, I segregate yung mga kailangang ihang kay Daddy Mike. Ito ilalagay sa maakin yan. Makati yung palad ko, guys. Pera na ata ito. Sana naman. Pinasok ko na yung iba sa kwarto, yung mga pambahay ng mga kids. And tingnan nyo, meron pa ang dami, guys. Oh, pero ito siya. Mga lang naman to. Mga sheets. So, malalaki. Konti lang.